Yeah, so my name is Ronnie Vasishta. I'm the Senior Vice President of Telecom at Nvidia. We're a platform company, but we go to market vertically. And what that really means is that as our customers and partners look at us, what they want to see are building blocks and solutions that are meaningful to a telecom audience. And so even though people talk about GPUs today, or the silicon, or the systems, what we have to do is put that in context of telecommunications and how we can help our partner, our ecosystem, and our customers in their telecommunications journey. There's probably few industries where you can start to see how rapidly AI is becoming adopted. And it's not just since the ChatGPT moment, but since then, MWC has really gravitated towards the fusion of both AI and telecommunications, as we've seen in the show this week. What we're able to do is work with telecommunications companies, or telcos, all the way from things like customer experience, customer care, network operations, productivity enhancements within the telecom operator themselves, but also all the way down to infrastructure. And infrastructure is one of those areas, as we look to virtualize the infrastructure, make it software defined. AI lends itself to both the productivity enhancements, the efficiency of the infrastructure, but also the spectral efficiency that's achieved by adding AI to the infrastructure. Nvidia, we are very, I would say, connected to our ecosystems, up and down the stack of offerings. And in telecommunications, our ecosystem extends from the hardware, the systems, the software, the telcos, the applications that run on top of that. So it's kind of a full stack of offering. Some examples may be some of the OEM manufacturers, the server manufacturers, that are now putting Nvidia hardware into those servers to enable those to be deployed from the edge of the network all the way to the central infrastructure. Then you have software providers and service providers that are adding OSS and BSS type billing systems, for instance, where they're using generative AI. You have customer care partners where you're adding AI in voice assistants, in text prompts, where you're using AI for enhanced experience and productivity enhancements. So up and down the stack, as you said, probably 30 plus press releases by new products that our partners are really building on our platforms with. Obvious is how quickly this industry is gravitating towards AI solutions. I think it's hard for you to go around any of the booths here today and not be excited by the prospect of what AI can add to telecommunications. So I'd say that's kind of the high level that I've seen this week. You can get down into some of the deeper level. About a year ago, we were one of the founding companies within the AI RAN Alliance. What's encouraging to me is how quickly, within 1 year, that membership has grown from 10 companies to 75 companies. But also we're seeing demos on the floor right now about how AI is improving the spectral efficiency, and that's a huge impact for the monetization capabilities of the industry. How we're improving spectral efficiency in something we call AI for RAN, plus all the applications that are now running, AI applications that are now running over the radio access network.